Solution from here, we have 4 to the power of x over 4 equals 10. Then let's cross multiply. If we cross multiply, here will be 4 to the power of x equals 4 times 10. Now, from here, let us introduce log to both sides of this expression. So we are going to have log 4 to the power of x equals log 4 times 10 in parentheses. Again, when you have log, put parentheses a times b, as we have it here, always equals as log a plus log b. Again, when you have log a to the power of m equals m multiplied by log a. Now, from here we have here to be, for this, apply it here, we have x multiplied by log 4 equals log, this apply it here will be 4 plus log 10. Divide through by the coefficient of x, which is log 4. Divide through by log 4. This will cancel out this. So we are going to have x left equals log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. Dividing through by log 4. So here will be x log 4 over log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. So we have x, log 4 divided by log 4 will be 1, plus log 10 over log 4. Now, from here we have x, 1 plus log 5 times 2 over log 4, x 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 over log 4. Now we have x 1 plus log 5 over log 4 plus log 2 over log 4. X 1 plus log 5 over log 4. And this will be log 2 over, we can have 4 in base 2. So we have x as 1 plus log 5 over log 4. Now, this will be log 2. You have this power in base 2 as divided by 2 multiplied by log 2. And this cancels out this. We have it to be 1 over 2. We have x 1 plus 1 over 2 plus log 5 by log 4. We have x 2 plus 1 plus log 5 over log 4. When you have log a over log b equals as log a base b. 3 over 2 plus log 5 in base 4. So we have 3 over 2 plus log 5 in base 4. Now, to check whether the problem we got is correct or not, four to the power of x over 4 equals 10. So from here we have 4 to the power of 3 over 2 plus log 5 in base 4 over 4 is going to give us 10. Now from here we have 4 to the power of 3 over 2 times 4 to the power of log 5 in base 4 over 4 is going to give us 10. Let's have this in base 2 as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 over 2, 4 to the power of log 5 in base 4 over 4 is going to give us 10. Now, this 2, we eliminate this. We have 2 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of log 5 in base 4 over 4 is going to give us 10. Now, let us recall that anytime when you have a to the power of log b in base a, so far this base and this are the same, the output will always be equals b. Meaning that when you have 3 to the power of log 4 in base 3, the output will be 4. Here that we have 4 to the power of 5 in base 4, this will be 5. So far this and this are the same. Applying it here, so we are going to have 2 to the power of 3 times 5 over 4, then it's going to give us 10. Now 2 to the power of 3, meaning 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. So from here we have 8 times 5 over 4 is going to give us 10. 4 here 1, 4 here is 2. So we have 2 times 5, which equals 10. So from here we have 10 equals 10. The left equals to the right.